What a way to begin 2024. Green candles all around. It's nice to see multiple days where the market is in fact running. And remember, BTC is still kind of setting the trend for everything, but this can expand into something much, much bigger for alts like ADA. And I will say right now, we talked a couple days ago about a massive buying event. Well, this may be the early signs. It looks like it is in fact beginning. Now, I'm not saying we're just going to absolutely explode from here. I'm not saying that there's not going to be days where we consolidate, but right now, the strength in the move that BTC made shows just this. All right. We basically exploded right off the bottom of this trend, right? We were in this bullish pennant. We were looking kind of lazy, and we just exploded all the way up through the top side of this. We have another day now, another green candle that exploded to what would have been a new yearly high, breaking almost 46K. This is a move that is showing strength from all that capital that was ready to buy. Now, obviously, ADA is showing a similar move. We broke out of our bullish pennant, exploded to the upside. In fact, we came up, we tested this trend line that we had created from another pennant we were creating, and we got rejected. We came back down, a little bit of consolidation. Obviously BTC pulled back from about 46K down to 45.3, ADA down to 62.5 from almost 64 cents. This is the preparation for, again, a bigger, much bigger move to the upside. Okay. As always, again, this is not financial advice, but look what happened here to begin 2023. You can see that we had a similar kind of move. Wow. Can't speak this morning, guys. First video I'm doing, by the way. And this move was, it preceded a massive explosion in price. And this is what I talked about, right? 2024 basically starting the same way that 2023 did, on a massive explosive movement. That's kind of why I talked about this basically consolidation here, which again, this timeline might be a bit off, but would it surprise people if this was the move here? No, it really wouldn't. I know people are still hoping for pullbacks. Guys, it's looking less and less likely that we're going to see them. I'm not saying, again, that there's not consolidation movements. I'm not saying that we won't have sell the news events if we get something like a spot Bitcoin ETF approval, but people need to realize how big of steps forward these are for the industry. What this means in terms of capital flowing into the space. It's huge. It is absolutely huge, guys. And again, this is just the start. We haven't seen still major buys. We haven't seen big institutional players enter the space yet. And one of the biggest things is we haven't seen mass adoption take off. What do you think these charts are going to look like when that does happen? And that time is approaching, I think, a lot faster than people realize. So I'm very curious to see where we end up over the next few days. I'm curious to see if we get any of this news about a spot Bitcoin ETF approval. This video is being filmed at 5:56 a.m. Central Standard Time. So still a lot to happen today, a lot to happen before this video even gets out. But I want to hear everybody's thoughts. I want to hear if you think we're going to continue this run here, or if you think we might face a little bit of consolidation. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.